Hello there, curious viewers. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. Get ready to expand your knowledge with these 10 fascinating facts you probably didn't know. Let's dive right in. The Great Wall of China. Did you know that the Great Wall of China is visible from space? Contrary to popular belief, astronauts can't see it with the naked eye, but they can capture its presence with specialized cameras. The world's oldest known recipe. What do you think is the world's oldest known recipe? Well, it's a Sumerian beer recipe. Dating back to around 1800 BCE, it provides instructions on brewing beer, making it one of humanity's earliest recorded recipes. The world's deepest cave. Deep within the earth lies Krubera Cave in Georgia, which holds the record as the world's deepest cave. Descending over 7,000 feet, it's a hidden world waiting to be explored. Stars versus sand. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The speed of sneezes. Brace yourself for this fact. When you sneeze, your expelled air can travel at a whopping speed of over 100 miles per hour. No wonder it's hard to catch a sneeze on camera. The origins of the Internet. Did you know that the Internet's origins can be traced back to the 1960s? It was initially developed as a military communication network called ARPANET and gradually evolved into the global network we use today. The world's longest living organism. Prepare to be amazed. The world's longest living organism is a grove of quaking aspen trees named Pondo. Located in Utah, Pondo is estimated to be over 80,000 years old and covers an astonishing 106 acres. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle has long been associated with mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. While many theories exist, scientists attribute most incidents to natural phenomena and human error rather than supernatural causes. The planet with diamond rain. In our solar system, there's a planet named Neptune, and scientists believe it experiences diamond rain. Due to extreme pressure and temperature, the atmosphere of Neptune contains carbon, which solidifies into diamonds as it falls. The unbreakable glass. Have you ever heard of Prince Rupert's drops? These glass objects are created by dripping molten glass into cold water, resulting in a unique structure that's extremely hard to break. However, they explode into powder when their tails are fractured. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-boggling facts that will leave you astounded. Keep exploring the world and never stop seeking knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, stay curious.